Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narina Kaval. In this video, I will explain you how you can participate in 10 days TikTok challenge. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to take 3-day challenge, right? So there is 10 days TikTok challenge and 75% commission. It's mean when you promote the product, like if you promote the $7 product, you will get $5.50, right? And if you promote $1,000 product, you will get $7.50, right? So he is giving 75% commission for 10 days. It's starting from 31 May, right? So what you need to do, you need to take first 3-day challenge, right? And I will show you step by step, first of all, where you can get 3-day challenge, right? So these are my social media tools where you are connected with me. This is my profile on Instagram. You just need to click this link and you will see this page. You need to click in here 3-day challenge and put your name and email address, right? So same as if you are in my Facebook. So simply you need to click here and it will be go into the 3-day challenge. And same as if you are in my TikTok, you just need to click this button and you will see this page. This is beacon page. You need to click on 3-day challenge. 3-day challenge is first step to take in 10 days TikTok challenge, right? So in 10 days he will give you 75% commission. So once again, first step is you need to take 3-day challenge. For example, I'm giving you example. You are putting your name and email, right? So you will see this page, right? So you can see this 3-step process has helped thousands make their first $1,000 online. Start your online business today. So this is right. Now there is 18,000 or 20,000 people are working with 3-day challenge. So if you are not believing me, you can go into the Facebook group and see the result of people. They are promoting 3-day challenge and working with them, right? So you need to click here and you need to take 3-day challenge for $7, right? So once you take this challenge, so you need to fill out this information. This is secure method, right? So don't be worry anything about he will take credit or debit. So once you get and do it, you just need to check your email and confirm your ID, right? So I will show you how it's look like. First you get your email and you need to register your account, right? So once you register, you will log in, right? So here is your 3-day challenge, right? In first day, how you can implement 3-step system to make daily commission online. So what you need to do, you just need to take 1 lecture, 2 lecture, 2-day lecture and 3-day lecture in same day, right? So and you can join the Facebook group also, right? So you will see here, so you can join the group, right? So first of all, you need to take 3-day challenge in same day to participate for TikTok challenge, right? So once you take 3 lectures, right, you need to click here on become an freedom breakthrough affiliate. So in here these are instruction, right? So you need to become an affiliate. So on the other time he is giving 50% commission on all product. So for now 10 days he is giving 75% commission. So this is quick setup to start your online business and grow your business, right? So once again, this is his Facebook group. you need to join this group, right? You can see there is 7,000 members in this group, and seriously they are making commission every day, right? You can see the results of student office Jonathan. You can see she make $47, and I will show you. You can see he make $33. So just taking this course, right? So once again, you need to go and any of my social media and take the 3-day challenge. And if you want to enter in 10 days TikTok challenge, so what you need to do, you need to make 4 videos every day, right? Here you can see post 2 video in comment below, right? And you need to make 1 video for dude and 1 video dude for Jonathan Montoya, right? So you need to post every day 4 videos, right? In here you need to go in comment and post your video, and like the other community member will be go and watch your video, and they will like your video and follow you. So in here you can grow together, right? So this is how, this is 10 days TikTok challenge, and you can get 75% commission. Once again, you can make $750 in 10 days. In normal days he is offering 50% commission. So this is Facebook group. You need to make 4 videos, 2 regular video. It's mean to content you need to give people values, right? So 2 content video and 2 dude, 1 for Jonathan Montoya and 1 for any other person. So we are grow together, right? So this is 10 days TikTok challenge. You just need, once you make video, you just need to paste the link here, right? So this is how you can make money with TikTok, right? So I can show you one more thing. So you can see this, she earns first commission 75% commission, right? She makes $747. So you can make, there is lots of people who make the 75% commission. So you can see the result. Just join the Facebook group and post the videos. So hopefully you understand everything, and I clear step by step how you need to do work, right? First step, you need to take 3-day challenge. Second step, you need to take all the lecture in same day and apply affiliate link, and you will check your email, you will get the affiliate link in your email. Third step, you need to join the Facebook group and make 4 videos every day on TikTok, right? 2 regular video, content video, and 2 for dude video, 1 for Jonathan Montoya and 1 for other person, and simply paste into Facebook group, right? So this is how you can make 75% commission on using TikTok, right? So hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and drop down a comment. If you have any question, I'm here, I will help you. And see the description down below, there is also, I will paste the 3-day challenge link. So thanks for watching. Bye.